At Maybe Mae, we like to create cocktails that are produce driven, flavour forward, but brought out through various techniques. I'm Michael, I'm one of the bar managers here at Maybe Mae in Adelaide. I'm about to make a high tea for you. It's a delicious gin-based drink, but a lot of other elements in there that give it some real character. So we're going to start with 40 ml of gin. It's a lovely, lovely base for a beverage, just bright and fresh and easy. Got some 15 ml of Elderflower Liqueur. 5 ml of Mezcal gives it a really nice smoky undertone, and it gives it a little bit of complexity there in the back palate, likes to hang there and really make it interesting. Made a pineapple syrup here. At home you can make this with simple syrup, just 1:1 sugar to water and pineapple juice. It's the sweetener element of our cocktail. Gives it a nice tropical note. And here at Maybe Mae, as I've said, we like to use various techniques. One of those is acid modifying other things, so we don't have to use lemon or lime. We've acid modified green tea here, but if I was doing it at home, I'd go equal parts green tea and equal parts lemon juice, just to make it easy. This cocktail really sells quite well with all of our regulars. Sitting on the list for not too long, but long enough. Nice hard shake for it. Really incorporate those ingredients, but not to over dilute. And just double strain into the glass. Should have this nice head form on it from the pineapple. Then we're going to finish it off with a few drops of sesame oil. That just adds length to the palate as well. And there you have it, high tea.